What's up guys, Odie Buckshees here, Pro Formula D driver, also president of Feal Suspension. Today we're going to talk about the Feal FPS. This is the Feal Fixed Perch Strut. We designed this strut to be an OEM replacement for the Subaru WRX STI. It also fits the non-STI models. So the STIs had a very bad strut plug problem. It's because it's an inverted shock from the factory. Inverted shocks have a ton of friction. Over time, that turns into stiction. Stiction turns into an audible clunk sound. We solved that problem by making a shock that's a monotube still, so it's high performance, it works well, but it's non-inverted, so it has none of the friction issues. This particular Feal FPS strut also fits other Subaru models. People use it on the GC chassis. You can also use it on some of the Forester chassis as well. You just have to pick the appropriate spring, appropriate top mount, and then it'll bolt right up. Some of the cool features about this shock are obviously the damping adjustability. 30 clicks of adjustability, which is awesome to have as an improvement to the OE shock. It adjusts compression and rebound simultaneously. And also, on the rear of these shocks, from the factory, there's no camber adjustability. We wanted to change that. You should definitely have camber adjustability in the rear of a GD chassis. What we did is we slotted the lower mount, so the top bolt has slots in it, which gives you quite a bit of camber adjustability. These are made in-house in USA, which means that they are serviceable in-house in USA. We have shock shaft seals, rod guides, even the hard parts like shock shafts and shock bodies. There's also a 1-year warranty to these. And another cool aspect to the FPS strut is that you can pick a 1-inch lift option. So if you want to lift your Subaru, just go ahead and select on a drop-down menu 1-inch lift, and this will be an easy way to lift your car while replacing the shocks. There's a lot more info on these on fealsuspension.com, so I encourage you to go there and read up all the details about it. If you have any more questions, feel free to call us or shoot us an email.